Buongiorno a tutti, Ma dove stai? Bene.
Ma buongiorno di
Right, enjoying Cold Break, I love it. Thanks, bye. If there's time, come for coffee. I would love that.
Lovely to have you in. Thanks very much. There we go. Cheers. Sorry, can I get a quick one, please? Thank you. Grazie, Ale. For you? Fantastic, loving life. And lovely weather.
Lovely day for it.
Yeah, it's it's great. Okay, ready?
Hey, good to see you again. We'll let him clear fan. Yeah, go ahead.
Silverstone, welcome to the main stage.
You're not cold?
I am cold. I am very cold.
So, yeah.
Yes? Okay, stop.
Cold and rainy, but it's very much appreciated to see you all here, and hopefully you will enjoy today, and of course enjoy.
Good luck this weekend. Max Verstappen and Sergio Perez. You want an umbrella? Sorry, guys. Carlos, would you like an umbrella?
No problem.
You might get a bit wet.
Stand up, my friend.
Love it.
Okay, last words for the fans,
Yeah,
guys.
just a huge thank you for the big support. We'll do absolutely everything to try and reproduce Carlos's win of 2 years ago. Was it?
now, yeah.
Yeah. So we'll try to reproduce that on Sunday. It looks like a difficult challenge this weekend, but we'll give it all. And thanks for your support. Thank you very much.
Let's have 3 bricks on the boat.